Welcome aboard to the Cooking Flagship. I'm Chef Moussa, and I can't wait to share my secrets with you.
A dish that is not just food, but a symbol of identity and family gatherings, blessings passed down through generations.
Today, on Cooking Flagship, we will prepare the master of the Moroccan table, authentic couscous with 7 vegetables.
A dish that is not just food, but a symbol of identity, family gatherings, and blessings passed down through generations. The history of couscous dates back thousands of years in North Africa. It is a dish that has always been associated with Friday, the day of gathering and sharing, where families unite around a single platter, overflowing with warmth and generosity.
To begin, we need fresh lamb, chopped onions, olive oil, and authentic Moroccan Smen, aged ghee. And our spice blend: ginger, turmeric, black pepper and salt, along with a tied bundle of fresh coriander and parsley.
We will add more vegetables to complete the legendary 7. Carrots, both types of turnips, king squash, cabbage, and chickpeas, which give the dish a rich texture.
And now we move on to preparing the dish. In the traditional couscous pot, we place the meat with the oil, ghee, onions and spices, salt, white pepper, paprika, ginger, turmeric, and a little ras al hanout. We sear the ingredients well until the meat cuisine fills the air. Now we cover the meat with plenty of boiling water and add the chickpeas. This is where the fun begins. We take the couscous grains, sprinkle them with water and a little olive oil and ghee, and gently rub them with our hands. This process ensures that each grain cooks individually and becomes as light as a feather. And then we place the couscous in the couscousier over the boiling broth. We let the rising steam, laden with the flavor of the meat and spices, cook the couscous grains for 20 minutes. Now we remove the couscous steamer and add the firm vegetables, carrots, turnips, cabbage, and both types of squash to the broth. These vegetables will absorb the rich flavor of the meat and give the broth an excellent consistency.
We return the couscous to the bowl, sprinkle it with salted water and a little clarified butter to moisten it. Then stir it.
Then we return it to the steamer for the second steaming. This step gives the couscous an irresistible tenderness and flavor. And now we'll add the delicate vegetables. Pumpkin. These vegetables cook quickly, so we add them last, and they also give the broth a natural sweetness and a wonderful color.
And now, after the third and final steaming, the couscous is ready. We brush it with a little of the enchanting Moroccan ghee to separate the grains and give it a sheen.
And now we move on to the arrangement of the bowl, which is an art in itself. We place the meat in the center,
then arrange the 7 vegetables in a harmonious circular pattern like a work of art, and pour the hot, flavorful broth so that the couscous is completely soaked.
This is Moroccan couscous with 7 vegetables, a dish that brings hearts together.
Try it at home and don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Flagship, like the video and share it. Enjoy!